Welcome to this exciting journey into the world of YouTube automation. If you've ever dreamed of creating a successful YouTube business without spending endless hours editing, scripting, and uploading, you're about to learn how automation can change everything. In this video, we'll show you how to launch a profitable YouTube automation business in just 10 minutes. Yes, you heard that right, 10 minutes. With AI-powered tools and smart strategies, you can streamline your workflow, increase your productivity, and start generating passive income. Get ready to unlock new possibilities and take the first step toward your dream YouTube business today. The very first step in building your YouTube automation business is to find the niche that excites you and offers growth potential. Take a moment to think about what you're passionate about, whether it's tech reviews, educational content, lifestyle tips, or anything else. Your niche is where you can truly shine, so choose something that resonates with you. But here's the best part. It's not just about passion, it's about opportunity. Look for niches with high demand and low competition. iTools can help you spot trends and find those hidden opportunities. When you combine your passion with market demand, you'll have a winning combination that sets you on the path to success. Once you've selected your niche, it's time to map out a content strategy that will help you grow your channel. Consistency is key, and with YouTube automation, it becomes easier than ever to stay on track. Plan your content in advance. What kind of videos will you create? Tutorials, listicles, reviews? Use tools like Trello or Notion to organize your video ideas, set deadlines, and create a content calendar that keeps you motivated. Automation allows you to produce videos on autopilot while staying true to your strategy. With every video you publish, you're one step closer to turning your YouTube channel into a thriving business. Your channel's branding is the first thing your audience will notice, so make it count. Set up your YouTube account and create a memorable logo and channel art that represent your niche and resonate with your target audience. Tools like Canva make this process super easy, no graphic design skills required. Your branding should speak to your audience and convey the value they'll receive from your videos. A great channel description is also important. Clearly communicate what viewers can expect and why they should hit that subscribe button. With strong branding and an inviting channel, you're setting yourself up for long-term growth and success. Here's where YouTube automation takes your business to the next level. With tools like Vidnami and InVideo, you can quickly transform your ideas into engaging videos with minimal effort. These platforms offer templates and features that speed up your video creation process. Even editing can be automated. Tools like Adobe Premiere Pro presets apply consistent styles and effects across all your videos, saving you time and ensuring professional quality output. If editing still feels like too much, consider outsourcing to experts on Fiverr or similar platforms. With these tools and resources, you'll have more time to focus on growing your business while automation handles the heavy lifting. Creating great videos is only half the battle. Getting discovered is just as important. Luckily, SEO can be automated, too. Use tools like TubeBuddy or vidIQ to find the most relevant keywords for your niche. These keywords should be included in your titles, descriptions, and tags to ensure your videos are seen by the right audience. You can also automate video descriptions and metadata, so you're always optimizing for discoverability. Don't forget to encourage engagement. Ask your viewers to like, comment, and subscribe in a way that feels natural and authentic. The more engagement your videos get, the more YouTube will promote them. And the best part? All of this can be done with minimal effort, thanks to automation. Now comes the exciting part, monetizing your YouTube automation business. Once you've built a solid content base and met YouTube's eligibility requirements, apply for the YouTube Partner Program to start earning revenue from ads. But don't stop there. There are so many other ways to earn. Affiliate marketing is a great way to generate passive income by promoting products in your videos. You can also sell branded merchandise to your audience or offer exclusive content through platforms like Patreon. The more you automate, the more time you'll have to focus on growing your income. Keep track of your analytics to see what works best, and keep refining your strategy to maximize your earnings. You've just learned how to set up a YouTube automation business using AI-powered tools that make the process faster, easier, and more efficient. From finding your niche, creating a solid content strategy, and automating your video production to optimizing for SEO and monetizing your efforts, you now have everything you need to get started. Don't wait for the perfect moment, Start now. The future of content creation is here, and with automation, you can build a business that works for you, even while you sleep. If this video inspired you and you're ready to take the leap, hit that like button, subscribe, and share this with others who are ready to start their own YouTube automation journey. Your dream YouTube business is within reach, and it all starts with one decision, today. Let's get started.